Rafaella Resources is an ASX-listed junior mining company. We have an exciting portfolio covering both development in Spain and also exploration in Canada. And what we particularly like about our portfolio is that it is exposed to a number of commodities that are all doing extremely well in the market and are recognized as having a very bright future. They all are either critical metals or they're metals that are going to benefit from the changing technology that we see in the economies. So our portfolio covers tungsten in Spain, which is a development project. And then in Canada, we look at nickel, copper, cobalt, silver. So a wonderful spread of commodities and also a wonderful spread of projects for such a small company where we have development to near-term production, and then we also have high-impact exploration. So a quick look at Santa Comba, which is in northwest Spain. That is a development project. It is one that we picked up. It's operated in the past in the 1980s. It's got a good resource, both underground and at surface. We've just completed a drilling program to expand the overall project. We've run economics on this project already in a pre-feasibility study. That pre-feasibility study shows that it is highly profitable, very strong margins, even at the lower prices that we saw earlier in the year. When we rerun these numbers, which we expect to do in the next couple of months, we should see a significant increase in the overall size of the project. So we're really excited about that and looking forward to getting that release out. The drilling campaign that we just completed has been very successful with some very high intercepts of tungsten. The Canadian properties also continue to deliver from an excitement perspective. We're going back into the Yukon to look at our copper cobalt opportunity there this summer. We've just been told that we get funding from the Yukon government to support that. And in addition, we have our high-grade nickel copper project in northern Quebec, where we've just completed a number of surveys where we're going to finalize drill targets. So that's an exciting program ahead for us as well. With respect to ESG, we are a company that's dedicated to good corporate citizenship and responsibility. No more so than in northern Spain, where there is a lot of scrutiny in Spain on the environmental aspects, and we're very conscious that we need to deliver a project that is compliant, but actually more than compliant. We want to actually give back to the community. So this is a project that employed over 4,000 people in the past when it was operating. We won't be employing quite so many, but we will be looking to employ around 40 people when this is up and running. That's very important in a region that has 12.4% unemployment. We have good support from the mayor and even the opposition party as well, supportive in the local region. We're looking to reestablish native species in the plants when we eventually rehabilitate this, and even look at some innovative ways to use the site to the benefit of the community going forward, such as a hydro pump storage facility, for example. In terms of taking the company through and making money, well, our PFS showed that this is a project that has 120% IRR post-tax based on old commodity prices and on a smaller scale project. So we expect this to grow and become really quite exciting. We'll be producing on latest numbers probably close to $30 million US dollars per annum in revenues. This is near term. We expect to be in production early 2022. And so this is something that really we're moving rapidly to, that we will monetize, and we shall see the benefits of those cash flows coming to the company to help fund our high impact exploration in Canada and elsewhere. In the short term, shareholders can look forward to an updated mineral resource estimate following our drilling campaign. The results of that will be fed into new mine schedules, and we'll update our feasibility study. As I mentioned, we expect a significant increase in the overall scale of the project, an extension of the mine life, and that will allow us to finalize offtake agreements and wrap up the funding. So there's a strong flow of news items coming forward just on the Spanish project. And in Canada, we'll have a program in the Yukon progressing later this year, and we'll also be announcing about our drilling plans for the Midrim high-grade nickel copper project in northern Quebec.